Hello students, today we are going to discuss quadratic formula. Now, standard form for a quadratic equation in one variable is given by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, if we solve for b square minus 4ac, this value is called discriminant. And this decides the nature of roots. If this discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, it is strictly greater than 0, then we can say that the quadratic equation in one variable, this has real and distinct roots. It has real and distinct roots. Distinct means different roots. So it has two roots. Both of them are real roots. They are real numbers. And also they are distinct. They are different from each other. Now what if this b square minus 4ac comes out to be 0, exactly equal to 0? Then also we will have real roots, but then we will have real and equal roots. We will have two roots in this case. Both the roots will be real numbers and also they will be equal. That means they will be same. Now comes the case where we have b square minus 4ac less than 0, strictly less than 0. In this case, there are no real roots. That means we cannot find any roots of the given quadratic equation which are real numbers. So these three conditions, they decide the nature of roots for a quadratic equation in one variable. So b square minus 4ac, if it is strictly greater than 0, then we have two roots for this equation. Both of them will be real numbers and they will be different from each other. They will be real and distinct roots. Second case is if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then also we will have real roots, but they will be equal. So we will have same roots in this case. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will have no real roots. So on the real number line, the roots does not exist for this quadratic equation in one variable when we have discriminant less than 0. Now once we have got the nature of roots for a quadratic equation in one variable, we are going to solve for the value of x. Now the value of x in this case is given by minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is called the quadratic formula. This b square minus 4ac is the same thing, that is the discriminant which we have solved in the first step. So whatever discriminant you are going to get, you can just straight away put it here. You can also write this as d. This b square minus 4ac, you can also denote it by capital D, that is discriminant. So you can just first solve for the discriminant. You can look for the nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then the real roots will exist and you can further proceed and solve x using the quadratic formula. But if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real roots. You cannot solve for x. In that case, you will have to stop here. You will not be able to solve for x in this case because b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This b square minus 4ac is inside the square root sign. So here it would be negative. We can never find the square root of a negative number. So this is not possible. That is why in this case, we have no real